Hello again, I am your host Argyros Argyridis. In this video we will see the second step in OrthoPhoto IOS orthorectification process, which is how to target the fiducial marks on the aerial image. As you can see, I split my screen into two parts. On the left side I have opened the camera calibration report, which contains the details of the interior image orientation, while on the right side I have OrthoPhoto IOS main window. The calibration report format depends on the company and camera. In this we notice the fiducial marks referring to PPS section, which are the coordinates of the fiducial points in millimeters. To start targeting the fiducial marks, we need to scroll the main window down until the entire step 2 is visible on our screen. Let's add fiducial points by pressing the Start Targeting button. We need to press it only once when we start. Then we can input as many points as we need. Let's input the coordinates for fiducial point 1. We pan and zoom the image to find the fiducial point with ID 1. Notice that when we click the Start Targeting button while hovering above the image, a blue dot appears indicating that we can now add points. The calibration report contains a lot of information related to the camera. What's also important for us is the exact position of the fiducial marks on the image. Note that at least 4 fiducial points are required to be targeted. Let's continue by providing all the fiducial marks. Now that we are done placing the points, we need to provide their coordinates. Thus, we will fill the X in image and Y in image columns with their respective coordinates. As you continue providing the coordinates, you will notice that the overall RMS changes dynamically. If we wish to inspect our markings, an easy way is to zoom in after the image by scrolling and press the magnifier button. To disable targeting fiducial coordinates on the image, we have to press the Stop Targeting button. That's all for now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video where we will see how to target our ground control points. Until next time.